Hello everyone, myself Rajnikant and today I want to share my views on a class which I attended. So I am a student of Rashmi ma'am. Rashmi ma'am teaches C language, core Java and MS SQL database. So during the class, Rashmi ma'am teaches theoretically as well as practically. So Rashmi ma'am give us number of problems which is a practical based problems. So it will help us to solve any technical round for software company. Then during the class, Rashmi ma'am tell us interview preparation tips, how to prepare for interview. So Rashmi ma'am tells that this is important topic. You should have to cover it for interview. So it will help us for interview preparation. Then there are weekly revision classes and practice test. So it will help for us to revise all the concept learned during the class. Then if we stuck anywhere during a class or in after a class, if you contacted to Rashmi ma'am and we tell Rashmi ma'am to if we have this doubt and ma'am please tell us how to solve that, then Rashmi ma'am immediately tell us how to solve this problem in effective manner and give us their feedback also. So once again thank you ma'am for your guidance and support. You are always motivation for us. Thank you.